In America, a single emergency can change your life financially in just a few hours. Imagine feeling sick, calling an ambulance, spending one night in a hospital, and then receiving a bill for $10,000 or more. This is not a rare story. It happens every day. Yet millions of Americans never pay these full amounts. Why? Because they have insurance. But here is the problem. Most people do not truly understand how insurance works until it is too late. They hear confusing words, see complicated bills, and feel overwhelmed. That confusion leads many people to make expensive mistakes, or worse, live without protection at all. If you have ever wondered why insurance is so important in America, or why people talk about it like it is a necessity rather than a choice, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to explain insurance in America in a simple and practical way, without technical language, and without confusion. Whether you are a student, a new immigrant, a worker, or someone who has only heard scary stories about medical bills and accidents, by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how insurance actually works and why Americans depend on it so heavily. We will look at the most important types of insurance, how people pay less even when bills are very high, and what happens when someone has no insurance at all. My goal is that after watching this video, insurance will no longer feel like a mystery or a risk, but a tool you can understand and use wisely. Make sure you watch till the end, because understanding this can save you thousands of dollars and protect your future. Insurance in America can feel confusing at first, but once you understand the basic idea, everything starts to make sense. At its core, insurance is a system designed to protect people from very large and unexpected financial losses. Instead of paying a huge amount of money all at once during an emergency, people pay a smaller amount every month to an insurance company. This monthly payment is called a premium. In return, the insurance company agrees to cover most of the costs if something serious happens, like a medical emergency, a car accident, a house fire, or even death. This system exists because many costs in America are extremely high, especially healthcare costs, and most people cannot afford to pay them on their own. Insurance spreads risk across millions of people so that no single person is financially destroyed by one bad day. Health insurance is the most important and most talked about type of insurance in America because medical care is very expensive. A simple doctor visit can cost hundreds of dollars, an ambulance ride can cost over $1,000, and a short hospital stay can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Health insurance helps reduce these costs. People usually get health insurance through their employer, through government programs like Medicare for older people and Medicaid for low-income individuals, or by buying a private plan themselves. When you have health insurance, you do not pay the full hospital bill. Instead, you may pay a small fixed amount called a copay for doctor visits, and sometimes you must pay part of the cost yourself until you reach a certain limit called a deductible. After that, the insurance company pays most or all the remaining costs. Without health insurance, people often fall into debt. Their bills go to collections, or they may even declare bankruptcy. That is why health insurance is not considered a luxury in America, but a necessity. Car insurance is another major part of life in America, and in most states, it is legally required to drive a vehicle. The reason is simple. Accidents happen, and they can be very expensive. Car insurance helps pay for vehicle repairs, medical bills, and property damage caused by accidents. If you crash into another car or injure someone, insurance protects you from having to pay everything out of your own pocket. Driving without car insurance can lead to serious consequences such as heavy fines, suspension of your driver's license, and legal trouble. Even a small accident can cost thousands of dollars, so car insurance is not just about following the law, but about protecting yourself financially. Home insurance and renter's insurance are often overlooked, but they are extremely important. Home insurance protects homeowners against damage caused by fire, theft, storms, and other disasters, although coverage can vary depending on the policy. If a house is damaged or destroyed, insurance can help pay for repairs or rebuilding. Renter's insurance is designed for people who do not own their home but rent an apartment or house. It is usually very affordable and covers personal belongings like furniture, electronics, and clothing in case of fire, theft, or other incidents. Many people assume the landlord's insurance covers their belongings, but that is not true. Without renter's insurance, replacing everything after a disaster can be financially devastating. Life insurance is different from other types of insurance because it focuses on protecting your family rather than yourself. If a person with life insurance passes away, the insurance company pays a lump sum of money to their family or beneficiaries. This money can be used to cover funeral costs, pay off loans, replace lost income, and support children or dependents. Life insurance is especially important for parents, main income earners, and anyone with financial responsibilities. There are different types of life insurance, such as term life, which covers a specific period, and whole life, which lasts for a lifetime and includes a savings component. The main purpose of life insurance is peace of mind, knowing that your family will be financially protected even if something unexpected happens. Many people make common mistakes with insurance in America. Some choose the cheapest plan without understanding what it actually covers, which can lead to large out-of-pocket costs later. Others do not read the details of their policy, so they are surprised when something is not covered. Some people avoid insurance completely to save money, not realizing that one accident or illness can cost more than years of insurance payments. The reality is that insurance is not about fear. It is about planning. It is a financial safety net that helps people manage risk in a country where costs can rise very quickly. In the end, insurance in America may seem complicated, but its purpose is simple: protection. It protects your health, your property, your income, and your family. While insurance can be expensive, not having it is often far more costly. Once you understand how it works and choose the right coverage for your situation, insurance becomes a powerful tool rather than a burden. The key is to learn, ask questions, and make informed decisions so that when life surprises you, you are prepared instead of panicking.